game. So what I will do is I will divide all of you in two groups. Maybe I'll go to the participants list and I'll divide all of you as per below. I think it's completely into the alphabetical order. So maybe I'll say because there are not huge number of people. So till L, till Lokesh, maybe one team. So Binu sir, Kusuma ma'am, Lalatendu and Lokesh.
Swati ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Do you want a breakout room?
I'm sorry.
Do you want a breakout room?
I don't think so, ma'am, because I've planned it like that. So we can go.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so 4 people in that team, and the second team can be Swami sir. Are you going to play? So I will start from you in case you are also going to participate. From Swami sir saying till
I'll
Yatendra.
participate, ma'am.
Okay. So Swami sir, Sankaran, Srinivas sir, Tamim and Yatendra can be team B. There will be 5 members in this team and 4 in the first. So as Ravi sir is helping me in the scoring, so that's why I'm not taking it. So can we start? Can we start with this virtual game? So this virtual game is going to be RTC Football Championship. Okay. So we are going to do a RTC Football Championship and there is going to be 2 teams. I request the team to keep their names and I need all of you to choose your buzzer also. Buzzer in the sense, because we don't have a machine over here, I'm trying to make it little gamified. So you can choose any signal for yourself. It can be like, for example, TikTok. TikTok can be a signal or maybe a 2 claps. But yes, think that you have to do it quickly. So teams, you can choose your buzzer. You can quickly. I'll give 1 minute to each team to choose and tell that what can be our buzzer. So team 1, Binu sir's team, Binu, Kusma, Lalatendu and Lokesh, and the other team is below Swami sir. Below in the sense in the list below R.
So Sai ma'am also will come into our team.
Sai ma'am, if you are playing, then you can. Then I'll
Not
shift.
counted. So I'm
Huh?
saying. Sai ma'am is not counted, so I'm silent.
No, you come into our team. So what shall we have as this one? A buzzer. Tamim, Jitendra. Are you there?
Yes. So quickly choose your buzzer.
Sankaran sir,
That will be more easy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you are there.
Okay.
Srinivas Rao.
Srinivas Rao ji.
Yes.
Tamim.
Okay, sir, I'm in.
Yeah.
Yes.
What shall we have as a buzzer? We have 2 clap. Yeah. So
Okay.
ours is 2 clap, ma'am.
So B team is 2 claps.
From the first team, Binu sir, your team.
Bindu sir. Have that.
Whistle.
This one. Okay. Our song said this is okay. We go.
No. I'm not going to whistle. I'm on the other team. You have to whistle. You have to whistle.
Okay. I will
So
try.
I suggest choose something which you can do quickly. Okay?
So maybe
Because
thumbs
when
up?
we are talking about buzzer, we need a quick sound.
Thumbs up takes much time to.
The thumbs up to see it becomes difficult, sir. We should have an ordinary.
Okay. Then we will listen or do an home song.
Clap.
Home song.
Home sound.
Okay, home song.
Home song.
So you are saying you will say Om, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. I think the rest team members are also agreed to this.
Loudly, sir. We should hear you.
Okay.
Have a buzzer and a clap, right? Alright, so now this is your ground, and before we start, I'm going to tell you what are the rules we are going to follow. one by one. So you don't have to worry. There will not be any kind of for the answer. Then I'll go with the team one. The team two needs to be quiet, and then I go with team two. The team one needs to be quiet. I'm going to ask 5 questions from each team. Okay, 5 questions from each team, and to answer, I'm going to give them a 30 seconds. So I'm having a stop clock with me. As soon as I ask the question or show you the question, I will start my stop clock. And in
Dr.
30
Swati,
seconds-
Dr. Swati, you are not clear. You are not audible.
Is it clear? Is it better?
Yeah.
Now, yeah.
Okay, so I'm saying I'm going to ask 5 questions to each team, okay, and I will give 30 seconds to discuss within the team. In 30 seconds, you have to reply the answer. Every question is going to have 4 options also. You have to select the right option, okay. It's not very hard, but the questions are all team related questions. Whatever we have learned, whatever we have do, you have to see the application of those terms which we have learned in the last slides. Is it clear? So team discussion is allowed, 30 seconds for each question, and only one team member is allowed to answer. So if the entire team will shout, I will not agree to it. So one team member has to buzzer and give the answer. Before the 30 seconds, I will keep on telling 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. So once you are ready with the answer, you can just say your buzzer. Now if it is the class, they say clap and give the answer.
Madam Swati. Madam Swati.
Yes, Kusma ma'am.
If we want to discuss, we need to discuss,
You can
right?
loudly discuss. No worries.
Okay. Only answer has to be done by. Okay.
Yeah, only answer has to be done by one person.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Kusuma ma'am, you can answer for our team. So that is whatever because you can volunteer. Okay, no worries.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So no confusion. And the sound for is instead of yum.
Okay.
Yum.
Yeah.
Which team wants to go ahead? There will be 2 lifelines in the sense you can say pass, okay? Now for example, when I am asking Binu team and say pass, the team 2 can answer. For each question, you will get 10 marks, but in case you answer wrong, you can say pass. And they will get 5 marks. Sir,
Your voice is again breaking, Swati ma'am.
is it better?
Yeah, now it's better. In between, it is getting crackled.
Okay. I'm saying that each team will get 10 marks for the correct answer. If you say pass, the other team will answer, they will get 5 marks. Is it clear?
If I pass that question to team number B, they will get 5 marks. My question, if I am not able to answer, if I get it to the other team, they will get 5 marks.
No, only if the answer.
The answer, yeah.
Can we start any questions?
No, you can start. Yeah.
Whenever you answer, you will get 1 goal. 1 goal is equal to 10 points. Okay? And we will keep a track as per the answers. So I request one team go on to you. Maybe which team wants to volunteer?
ऑफिस झाले आता ते ट्रेनिंग चालू.
Team wants to volunteer.
We will volunteer, ma'am.
Okay, Binu sir's team.
Then Swami sir.
So my team be alert. Kusuma ma'am, Ravindra sir,
Yes, sir.
Sridhar sir, not Sridhar sir.
Lokesh sir and Lalitendra sir.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. Sir, with your permission, we are going to play.
I
Okay,
request
ma'am.
team
You are
two
ready, sir?
go on mute.
Hitendra, alert.
Natendra, alert.
Yeah, I am alert.
Alert.
Hitendra is in Swami sir's team.
Yes, Hitendra is in our team.
But Swami sir's team mute now.
Swami sir's team, please go on mute. Only Binu sir's team
Will answer.
Okay. We are
Okay, so let's start. I'm going to show you the question. Binu sir has to answer first. Okay, and for this particular activity, you are going to win a championship trophy, RTC trophy. This is the trophy, so this is what you have to win. Okay.
Oh, great.
So we are fighting for the RTC champion trophy.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
So I'm showing the first question. Binu team, Binu
Yes,
sir
ma'am.
team,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
be ready. So the first question is, what strategy can prevent team conflict? And your options are this. I have started your time. You can discuss and reply me with it.
Okay. My answer would be clear and concise. The guidelines.
C,
I
sir,
agree
right?
with Binu, sir.
I agree with you, sir.
Binu, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
C, you can answer.
M.
The answer also you can say clear.
M.
concise,
Answer is C. Clear, concise, and guidelines.
There is no buzzer as of now. 25
I-
seconds.
I said M.
Yum,
M.
yum, yum, yum.
M is our buzzer.
Okay, awesome. So first question correct, and you have got 1 goal. So Ravi sir, 10 points.
Yeah. Noted.
Good job, guys. Thank you. Good job. team.
First we have to give the buzzer, then answer.
Yeah,
Yes,
please say the buzzer clearly and then answer. Okay, showing you the second question. In order to plan all the work schedules and is viewed as extremely strict, the leadership style is most likely. Your options are. Your time starts now.
D, sir.
Autocratic. Hey, yeah, Buster. Please put the Buster first. Yum. And the answer is
D.
D. Autocratic.
Okay, but guys, what mistake you are doing is only one person needs to answer. Please choose who will answer. Okay, so I'm
ma'am.
giving the point for this
No,
because
Kusuma madam. I
M.
think.
Yeah, I had a technical glitch here. M.
Yeah.
It is autocratic.
okay, so you again got a goal and awesome. The team 1 is doing awesome. You have got 20 points.
Madam,
Yes.
I am playing with team A, team 1 or team 2.
Team 2. Yatendra sir, you are with team 2.
I gave the answer.
No.
No,
You should
no.
mute. You should
Team-
mute.
Team 1, थैली पहुंचा देना. No.
Yatendra, you are in our team.
Yes. So I will go on mute.
Go on mute.
Yeah,
Please go on
please
mute.
go on mute.
You are defecting.
All right. So if you by mistake participate, you are responsible.
No. We gave the answer. We gave the
Okay.
answer.
You gave the right answer.
Nice,
Yeah.
that's good.
Question number 3, guys. Please be quiet so that you can see the question. So question number 3. Due to a conflict in the weekend schedule, the manager corrects the schedule herself and posts a final copy. Which reactive strategy in managing team conflict is this? Your time starts now.
Yum. Answer would be accommodation.
A, accommodation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Accommodation.
M. Answer is accommodation. Yeah. Is the answer.
Okay, so everyone agrees to accommodation, but
Yes.
that is wrong. It's
Oh.
so there is no
was
goal
acting.
for question.
Oh.
No goal. Sir, only 20 points as of now, Ravi sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, going for question number 4. Which stage of team building allows the members to express their idea? Your time starts now. Please think.
Storming. C.
Storming. C.
Express.
Storming.
Storming.
Yes.
M. Storming.
Okay, so
See.
that's the final answer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay, so
No.
let's see. It is
Norwing. Yeah. Norwing. Exactly. But
Guys, you lose 2, so you have What stage of the team building process focuses on examining how the group reached and accomplished their goal following a service project? And your time starts now.
Performing? Dilendra sir, is it performing?
Performing, sir, right?
Performing could be right, sir.
Okay, shall we go with it?
Yes, please.
Okay, M. Performing.
Wrong.
It's adjourning.
Adjourning. How can you
It
make
is accomplished. Yeah, reached and accomplished their goal. Yes.
Guys,
So,
only
winding
2
up.
questions are correct.
You were right.
On the
20 marks.
accomplished part.
Out of which one I answered.
No, we had answered.
I answered first.
Okay, you know, Yatindra, छोड़ दो. Now we'll focus.
अभी ट्रॉफी के ऊपर कंसंट्रेट करो.
Next.
Okay, so let's move on and go to team 2. So team 2, please unmute yourself, and team 1, you all can please mute yourself. Thank you so much. You all have done good, but you were like doing it in hurry. So I request the team 2 to think and use the time which I am giving. 30 seconds is enough time to discuss. So last goal not given. So Ravi sir, what is
Yeah,
the
20.
Okay. So team 1 score is 20. Let's move on. And team 2, are you all ready?
Ready, let's go.
Yes.
All right.
Swami sir, you are the leader.
Question. First question: a leader that uses skills to accomplish team goal shows, and your time starts now.
Sir,
Effective.
effective leadership. No, see.
Effective.
Buzzer, please.
Effective leadership.
Effective.
What is our brother?
Effective leadership.
Effective leadership. This is
Final.
our answer.
Okay. So that is correct. So the goal
Good.
for you.
Next, sir.
Next question. A leader that values other team members is known to be what kind of a leader? Start.
Democratic.
Democratic.
First buzzer.
Yeah, no, we are discussing.
Okay.
Yatindra,
Yes, we are
sir,
discussing.
Tamim,
Yeah, democratic.
Final.
Democratic, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So C. Democratic. Yay! You got the goal again.
Thank you.
20.
Dharma madam.
penalty strike போயிடும்.
Question number 3. An effective leader would, and your time starts now.
Last everyone clearly explain what means to be
Sir,
rarely used encouraging terms.
well,
Adopt the policy.
C.
TC.
Clearly explain what needs to be achieved.
Yes.
C.
C.
Okay. So C. Correct.
No, we don't have to go for other tune. We don't have to go for other tune.
Got it.
No. Winning is not everything. Yeah. We lost the cup.
RTC trophy won.
All right. So trophy for this, of course, but we have another game also. So let's see after that. But yes, for this, the trophy goes to you. All right. Let's do last 2 questions also.
Fast man.
Yes.
Question number 4. Which example demonstrates an advantage of free communication in teamwork?
Each example demonstrates an advantage of new communication. Example.
C.
C.
Final.
Talk about.
Final.
Yes.
We have won the trophy. No problem. Final. Chalo.
Awesome.
Arre wow.
Last question.
Swami sir. Lucky man.
Last question. Mrs. Clark's team member works well as a team.
They work together to acquire and perfect relationships. The behavior represents what characteristics of
B. Common purpose, Ilya.
Listen.
They work together to acquire perfect skills.
No, B.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. B.
Maybe common purpose. Okay.
B.
B, common purpose.
Yeah.
Correct.
Swami sir.
Out of
The score is
50.
50, and the winner of the RTC trophy is Team B. Congratulations.
B.
Swami sir.
Thank you. Team members, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, so
Thank
guys,
you for it.
that's a collaboration you all have done together along with the rules you all have followed. Quick debrief. So instead of giving more time because we are reaching 9:30. So a quick debrief we can do in a form of a question. That yes, how are you feeling now? Of course, you all are excited.
Yes.
What did you learn from the activity?
Learning.
Use your time, 30 seconds, completely to discuss.
I think can't be impulsive. Read the question, use 30 minutes.
What else?
Listen to your classes.
Wait for others to play, then play.
Wait for others. Chance to everyone. So the first thing you learned is related to the time, which is very important for team one, who actually missed out due to that. They would have thought and read the questions properly. Much better.
We forgot about the 30 seconds. That's what happened. And the listening skills.
Alright, so let's do this another quick game, a virtual game.
Ma'am, we are running late of time. Would people be there?
9:27.
Yeah.
So, this game is again a virtual game, and here we are going to do a game with him. So, who is he? Anyone tell me?
Ranveer Singh.
Sorry?
Ranveer Singh.
Pirates.
Pirates of
Resembling.
Pirates
He is Jack Sparrow. He's doing all funny. He's like your funny character. He's doing all funny things. So this is actually we are going to play with Jack Sparrow. This virtual game too is related to a treasure hunt. Okay, so Jack Sparrow has visited India and he is here to identify or reach to the treasure. And the teams over here in India, both of your teams are going to help Jack Sparrow to reach to that treasure. Okay, so आपको help करना है to reach to that treasure to this person. Again, there will be two teams. You have to use your buzzer in case you want to change the buzzer. I'm still okay with that. I think that buzzer is taking more time. So you can choose the buzzer because it is going to be more rapid fire now. 6 questions I'm going to ask from all of you, and for each answer the team is going to get 10 marks. Okay, so you have to say the buzzer, say team 1 or team 2, and then you can say the answer. If you pass your question, the other team will get 5 marks. So do it in the way that one person will answer in the team. Here you are not going to get chance to discuss. Alright, so now you have to choose instead of 6. If you want, we can go for 3 questions also. The team has to choose which trivia or which sector you want to answer for, so that Jack Sparrow will reach to the point number 1. So he is here at first location in the start position, where all the tribals are there, and the tribals are going to help him when he will answer the question, and then they will help him to reach to the second point. Okay, the point over here near the mountains. So these teams choose which trivia, which sector you want me to ask a question. question. And whoever will play the first buzzer will get the first chance.
Team B will choose food. It's
B2
dinner
food.
time.
B2
So
food.
we have to play the buzzer.
Then we choose the sports.
Because food.
Sports.
Swami sir, you have to buzzer.
Food.
Food.
Yeah. Sports.
Okay.
Can. Food also can we select? No. We cannot select food also. Okay.
Okay, so the question. Okay, let me ask the question. What other name does corn go by?
Maize. Maize.
Great, awesome. All right, second buzzer. Who wants to play? You have to quickly do it.
Yeah.
Topic.
Team 2 have got 10 marks, sir.
Yeah, I noted.
Now
Team
can
1,
Yes.
you have to play the buzzer because it's a voluntary game. You have to volunteer for this.
M.
Okay, choose the sector.
Sports.
Sports.
Yeah.
Is it sports you said?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so your question is
can we answer now?
which sister has won more Grand Slam titles?
Djokovic.
Which Williams sister has won more Grand Slam titles?
Serena.
Venus and
Serena
Williams. Venus and Serena Williams.
Correct. Okay, so teams now, I hope you understood that what you have to do, you have to voluntarily play the
Okay.
buzzer. Don't wait for the other team to play the buzzer. As much as you play, you will get the chance. Okay, so I'm going to a second. So here, both the teams have got 10 marks. So now, Jack Sparrow has reached to the point number 2. The point number 1. So he is here now. Let's move on for second round, where we have to help him to reach from this location where all the factory employees are there in near the mountain, and these factory employees will only help Jack Sparrow when he will answer 2 questions for them. So now team, you are free to play the buzzer. Whoever will play first will get the chance.
Anyone can
Yeah.
play the buzzer.
Yeah, okay.
I
Team 1, which field?
Food.
I buzzer. I chose the buzzer. I chose the buzzer. So we
Yes.
No,
I
they
have
said
to-
jump before you.
Yum. Yeah.
Okay, a simple question. What's the primary ingredient in hummus?
Hummus. This one. What is called the white
Chickpeas.
chickpeas.
Chickpeas, yes, that's correct, absolutely right. So we
ma'am.
got 10 marks.
Thank you, Kusuma ma'am.
Food ही बहुत है इसमें.
Buzzer, guys, quickly, buzzer.
Yum.
Swami sir,
Okay, Swami sir, which field?
health.
Health, okay. In which body part can you find the femur?
Leg.
Leg, absolutely right.
wow, great.
Okay,
Tied.
teams are doing equal. It's going. Now we have helped Jack Sparrow to reach to this second point, and both the teams are on
Tied.
tie till now. Okay, last 2 questions.
Yum.
Okay, team one, which sector?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Food.
Can we go for food only?
Food.
Yeah, food only.
Okay. Food, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you okay?
It is 1 second. Okay, so your question is, which kind of alcohol is Russia notoriously known for?
Vodka. I said that.
You said.
I
Yum.
vodka. Buzzer also is a vodka.
Absolute.
Buzzer.
Absolute.
Last
Yeah,
I
question.
said buzzer and vodka.
No. Yum
Swami,
vodka.
hey, Swami sir gave the answer.
I gave the buzzer also. I gave the buzzer.
No, sir, I gave the buzzer first.
Yes.
Okay, last chance.
Yeah.
I will say 1, 2, 3, and whoever will play the first buzzer will get the chance. 1,
Okay.
2, 3.
Yum.
Yeah, Swami sir.
Swami sir. Swami sir, which field?
कौन सा लेंगे? Technology.
Sorry, technology.
Yeah.
What does HTTP stand for?
Hypertext protocol.
There is one more word from T.
HTTP.
HTTP.
How many seconds we have?
30.
Anyone to help?
It's a rapid fire. We can give chance to other team. HTTP. HTTP, other team.
Hypertext transfer protocol. Correct.
That's it.
Who answered?
Swami sir.
I'm
Swami sir.
You
Answer.
only answered?
Yes.
Okay. So Swami sir got the marks. So that's the last question. And team 2 finally had helped Jack Sparrow to reach to the treasure.
Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Good Swami sir.
Thank you, both the teams. Both of you have done very well. Congratulations, team 2.
So our captain is Dhoni.